What if you could start earning tonight? No waiting, no delays. Imagine building an income that doesn't require a boss or fixed location. Just you, a laptop, and free AI tools. In 2026, starting an online income stream is easier than ever. Today, I'm sharing 5 AI side hustles you can start immediately, with no money or experience. Let's dive in. Your first side hustle is an AI resume writing service. Every day, millions search for jobs. A quality resume can make all the difference. Step 1, create a free account on Fiverr. Set up a gig for resume writing. Offer basic, standard, and premium packages. Step 2, use Claude. Create a prompt for resume writing to streamline your process. Step 3, for each client, gather their job history and skills through a questionnaire. Step 4, paste their information into Claude's prompt. In under a minute, Claude creates a professional resume. Review it, add personal touches, and deliver. Job seekers need your service. With just 4 orders, you earn $120. Your second side hustle is an AI email marketing service. Small businesses struggle with consistent communication. Here's your chance. Step 1. Create another Fiverr account or use LinkedIn to find clients. Step 2. Build your email system in Claude. Prompt it to write engaging newsletters. Step 3. Identify 10 local businesses. Check their social media for email activity. Step 4. Message them with an offer for an email sample. One client could net you $2,400 yearly. Connect with 10 and you could earn $12,000 annually. Now let's talk about the AI product description writer. E-commerce desperately needs quality descriptions. Step 1. Create a Fiverr gig for product descriptions. Offer packages based on the number of descriptions. Step 2. Set up your Claude prompt to write compelling descriptions. Step 3. Write 5 sample descriptions using random Amazon products. Step 4. Add these samples to your gig. With e-commerce booming, store owners constantly need descriptions. One order can pay you $120. Next, introduce the AI Instagram caption service. Businesses crave engaging captions but often fail. Step 1. Create a Fiverr gig offering caption packages. Step 2. Use Claude to write captivating captions based on business type and audience. Step 3. Find 20 small businesses on Instagram. Review their captions for quality. Step 4. Direct message 10 of them with an offer for a free week of captions. Just 10 clients could earn you $800 monthly. Finally, consider the AI YouTube script writing service. YouTube channels need consistent scripts. Step 1. Set up a Fiverr gig with options based on script length. Step 2. Create your Claude prompt for engaging scripts tailored to various niches. Step 3. Write 3 sample scripts tonight to showcase your skills. Step 4. Reach out to creators with inconsistent scripts in your target niche. Just one client can earn you a monthly income with endless potential. Remember, speed beats perfection. Don't overthink it. Launch your gigs tonight. Recapping your side hustles. 1. AI resume writing service. 2. AI email marketing service. 3. AI product description writer. 4. AI Instagram caption service. 5. AI YouTube script writing service. Choose one side hustle and start tonight. Share your choice in the comments. Connect with me for tips to land your first client faster. If this video helped you, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech for daily strategies. Tomorrow, discover the AI tool that top earners use. See you then.